Hey guys, Technomentary here to do a quick unboxing review and setup for our iPhone X or the iPhone 10 that I bought on eBay for under $400. Currently they are going for over $800 new. But this is a used iPhone, so that's almost a 50% discount. Which is pretty good. If you guys aren't familiar with eBay is just like Amazon, but more sellers on eBay, and usually I found electronics to be much cheaper on eBay than Amazon. I'll leave the link to the discounted iPhone on eBay in the description below if you guys want to check it out or are interested in buying one. So here we go with the review. So I bought the iPhone X. It came in a couple days after I ordered it. I already took kind of the label off so I can quickly start showing you guys the box. So it did come in like this generic cardboard box. So if you go open it up, they wrapped it for you. The label is in there, so we'll put that aside. So the good thing about eBay is that most sellers that sell have a 30 to 60-day return policy. So if you don't like it, you can always return the phone. So this one is just the iPhone X, the silver model, which I bought. Overall looks pretty good for a used iPhone. As you can see, it looks pretty good. Little blemishes here and there, but you can barely notice. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Pressing the power button now. So it is turning on right now. Probably see the Apple logo just came on. First impression overall, I think for a used phone, this is in good condition. I would say you do have to read on the description. People sell different condition of phone. They are usually rated by A, B, and C. A being the best for a used phone, and then B is just slightly more blemishes, and then C is kind of the fair condition ones. So here you go. So it turned on. Came to the setup screen. So we'll go ahead and set it up and check it out. So English here, United States. So we'll do a quick setup manually. Sign into kind of the home Wi-Fi here. And there you go. So signing in. Alright, let's continue that. Set up later. Passcode don't use. So I'm just quickly trying to get through the screen so you can see it's not iCloud locked or anything. You do want to be careful that you don't buy a phone that's iCloud locked, which will be useless for you. Go agree, continue, manually, not now, set up later, share, continue. Just gonna hit continue, do the default stuff. Here we go. So we got to the home screen. As you can see, it is a real iPhone. You can sign into your iCloud and everything. So here you go. So if you guys want to check it out, I would definitely recommend, if you're looking for a cheap phone, but on a newer phone, you can definitely check out eBay by clicking on the link below. And yeah, comment on whatever, if you guys have any questions. I bought mini phones on eBay before. I bought iPhone 8, 7, 6s. If you guys want to go check out my other videos on reviews on that. And so far I have a pretty positive experience buying there. So any questions you guys have, leave a comment below, like, share, subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.